Hello everybody, this is Technicya with another tutorial. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to crop an image and replace the position of that image on the same canvas or on the other one. To do this, open the Paint 3D, which is built in Microsoft Windows 10. Click on New. Now drag the image that you want to edit. In this video, I will replace the position of my snapshot in this canvas to the other location. To do this, select on Magic Select button. Now crop the image that you want to remove the background. Here you will see the magic. Click on Next button. You can see the object has been selected, but you will have to do some manual job to select or deselect the some areas. Here you can see this section is not properly aligned. Click on Remove and draw a smart line on that area. Similarly on the other part of the object. Here my finger is disappeared. You can click on Add button and draw a smart line. This area is also not visible. After some experience you will be able to do this. You can use the mouse wheel button to zoom in and zoom out. You can also use Ctrl Z to undo. I think it's now okay. This is okay now. Now click on Done button and remember to check the auto fill background and you will see here the magic. Now you can move this subject to any place. Adjust on your desired location. You can also change the size of the object, orientation, or the direction. If you like this video, please thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe Technicya. I will catch you in my next video. Bye bye.